The requirements needed to upgrade to Windows 11 have been confusing because Microsoft has been more stringent about who qualifies than any previous version of the OS. To reach compatibility, your computer needs Trusted Platform Module (TPM) 2.0 support and Secure Boot enabled in the BIOS. The TPM restriction is especially onerous since it may put many older Windows 10 PCs out of the running. Before you attempt to download and install the free update, first make sure that your current Windows 10 PC is compatible. The best way to do this is to run Microsoft's PC Health Check tool. If the program hasn't been force installed onto your computer already, you can go to Windows 11 specifications page, opens in a new window, to view all the system requirements and download the tool. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you see the Check for Compatibility section. Click the Download PC Health Check app link and install the program. Click the Check Now button inside the app to see if you qualify. If your computer is compatible, a message tells you that your PC meets Windows 11 requirements. Windows 11 has been accessible for some time as an update on compatible Windows 10 systems, so your next step should be to check to see if the update is already available on your PC. In Windows 10, go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update and click the Check for Updates button. If Windows 11 is waiting for you, it can then be installed as an update. If Windows 11 is not showing up as an update on your PC, you can still install it through Microsoft's Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Browse to the Download Windows 11 page, opens in a new window, and click the Download Now button under the Windows 11 Installation Assistant section. Then run the Windows 11 Installation Assistant.exe file. Click the Accept and Install button and your Windows 10 PC will be upgraded to Windows 11. You should be able to use your PC during the download and installation. When the process is finished, you need to restart your PC. You can either restart immediately or wait for the 30-minute timer to end so you can save any open work. After your PC reboots, you can sign into Windows again. Once the final setup is complete, you're deposited at your new Windows 11 desktop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video.